Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. There is nothing in this world that will make you rich easily. It takes time to get to what you want. In this video, I have just said and explained about the ways you can earn money online. There is nothing in this video using which you can grow rich in just few days without doing any work.
Hey guys, Anirban here. So today we are going to talk about how you can have your own income if you are a student. So in today's world, we all need to have our income to become independent, because maybe money is not everything, but money is like a fuel in a car. Without money, you can't run yourself. So when we are students, we need a lot of money to fulfill our purposes. So without wasting much of time, let's jump onto some few things using which you can earn money even when you are a student. So the first thing is find out what you are good at. Like if you are good at studies or good at some creative things or some extracurricular things, find out what you are good at. It may be something very like you have never thought of that you can earn money using that. But think of that what you are good at. First, let's come to studies. If you think you are good at studies, try teaching students. Try teaching students. It earns a lot of money. And if you think you can't get good students around you, just go online, because this is the generation of going online. Just go online, go to Google, search online tutoring, and you will find a lot and lots of people who wants online tutors, and you can teach them online and earn online. So you can Google it out and you will get a lot of websites that provide you a platform to teach online. So this was it if you are good at studies. Now let's come to some creative things what you can do. So the next thing that comes is you can do freelancing. So what is freelancing? Freelancing is whatever you like you can make web development, you can do app development, you can do video editing, you can do anything you like in freelancing, and you get paid from people all over the world for your work. So it's not that freelancer is the only website that using which you can do freelancing, but there are many ample of websites using which you can do freelancing. Just go to Google and search freelancing websites. You'll get a lot of websites that will help you to freelance, and you don't have any idea about how much you can earn using freelancing, because freelancing is something people will give you any amount if you are talented on that field you have chosen. Like if you choose video editing, basically I am in video editing field. So if you are good at video editing, people are ready to pay you $100 for an hour also. Yes guys, it's important, but remember one thing, that you need to go slow. You need to first provide people free services or very less cost services so that they can hire you when you are a fresher. And when you have made your name in the market, like when in freelancer, what is done is the work you do for others, they give you a rating. If your rating is high, and after few months, automatically much more employers will come to you and ask you for their work. Then you can charge them more. But at the initial stage, just charge them very less. So freelancing was one thing which will help you in any field. You are good at any field, you can do freelancing. So let's come to next thing. Next thing is YouTuber. So basically it will need a lot of time to grow as a YouTuber, but you can always start as a YouTuber, because what YouTube does is you can show your talent in YouTube and people will love you. If you are very much talented or if you are doing something unique, people will obviously watch your videos, and according to the number of views you will earn money from YouTube. Next thing is you can do blogging. So many people will ask now, how can we earn by blogging? So you can earn by blogging, like if you have your own blogging website, you can post ads using which you will get money. Like you can promote in your blogs also, you can promote some companies, you can tie up with some companies and promote their companies in your blogs, which in turn you will get money from the companies. one more thing comes into play here is affiliate marketing. It's another thing that you can earn money using. So what is affiliate marketing? Let me explain you this. First thing is we all do online shopping from Amazon or Flipkart. So have you ever thought that if you are suggesting some product to some person and that person is buying that thing from that specific website, you should earn some money. You should earn some commission. And yes guys, Flipkart, Amazon and every online seller gives this money commission. It's just that many of us doesn't know it. It's called affiliate marketing. Just go to Google and search Flipkart affiliate program or Amazon affiliate marketing. What you can do is they will give you a link for every specific product. Like if you are suggesting some mobile phone to some person and they go to, like if you are suggesting a mobile phone from Flipkart to a person and they go to buy that mobile phone through your link, what will happen is you will receive some percentage of commission of that total price of the phone. This you can do like if you are blogging or if you are a YouTuber and you have a large customer base, you can give the link of your things in your description in YouTube or in your blogs, and when people will buy through using your links, you will earn a commission. It may look that the commission is very less, but when you earn a huge amount of people, when people go to, means when a lot of people goes there, you earn a lot of money from there. So this was it about affiliate marketing. So let's come to the next thing. The next thing is paid internships. So you all, if you are a college student, you must have heard of internships and all. So what are paid internships? It's more or less like freelancing also, but paid internships give you a lot of more experience in life. Like if you love content writing, you can do paid internships in content writing also. People pay you for doing content writing, which in turn will also, they will give you a certificate also that you have done completed this course from, or you have done completed this internship from this company, and they will pay you also. So by paid internships also you can earn profits. For internships, so one website I will suggest is Internshala, not sponsored by Internshala obviously, and you can Google it out, some paid internships or something. But guys, always remember one thing, that there are a lot of fake things going on around internet, because when you search for paid internships, or when you go for freelancing, there are a lot of online websites that are faking things. Like they will promise you of something, they will make you work, and after that they won't pay you. So go to some trusted websites only. So you will get a lot of YouTube videos about the websites which are trusted websites and which are. My basic intention to make this video was to make you all understand about how you can earn money if you are a student, because I am also in my student phase, and I understand that people like us needs a lot of money in our student phase. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video informative or useful, do give that like button and subscribe to my channel for new such videos. And also I would like if you share your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thank you guys.